Welcome to this exploration of the therapeutic wonders of camping, where we will delve into the profound healing experiences that nature offers. In this spectacular journey, we invite you to immerse yourself in the world of camping. Camping provides an escape from the relentless pace of modern life. As you leave the concrete jungle behind, you step into a world of tranquility. Nature's symphony, the gentle rustle of leaves, the soothing melody of birdsong, and the babbling brook, creates a therapeutic backdrop for relaxation. Disconnect from screens and reconnect with yourself. Camping offers a digital detox that allows your mind to breathe freely. Mindfulness blossoms in the wilderness. Whether meditating by the water's edge or simply absorbing the beauty around you, camping nurtures a profound sense of presence. Engage in physical activities that strengthen your body and spirit. Hiking, setting up camp, or even gathering firewood become therapeutic exercises in the great outdoors. Bonding around the campfire. Camping fosters deep connections with loved ones. Gathered around a campfire, stories flow, laughter resonates, and bonds are strengthened. As we conclude this journey into camping therapy, remember that nature's embrace offers solace to the mind, body, and soul. It heals, rejuvenates, and renews. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the therapeutic realm of camping. If you found this experience enriching, share it with others seeking the healing power of nature. Until next time, find your path to wellness in the wilderness.